Hi, today's video is regarding HP Envoy 5032 printer, how to replace the ink cartridge. First step is to switch on the printer. Now wait for the display screen to come up, and once your display screen is ready, we open this chamber holding from one side tricolor cartridges. So there are flaps on the top, so just open the hand like this, and now you can remove both of the cartridges, and now you can insert the new cartridge. So just place it like this. It should go under this flap, and now once you move it, it will adjust it itself. Same for the black. Now both are installed. Close the lid. Now your printer may print a print alignment page, and we need to scan that. The page will look like this, and we place it facing downwards on the right hand side corner, and after that we'll get the scan option. We press OK and it's ready. Then we can use it. Thanks for watching.